5 key skills that will be critical in 2026. Skills that even advanced AI cannot replace. Let's begin. Number 1. Leveraging AI tools. First and foremost, proficiency in working alongside AI tools and platforms is becoming essential. For a software engineer, that means not just coding yourself, but knowing how to effectively use LLMs and AI-driven tools to deliver solutions better and faster. Number 2. Creative problem solving. This is about coming up with innovative solutions based on the broader context and client expectations. For instance, you might be tackling a user experience issue that requires a unique approach, something that an AI wouldn't come up with on its own. It's that kind of human ingenuity that makes a big difference. Number 3. System thinking. As AI takes on more routine coding, your role shifts to understanding why each piece of the system exists and how it all fits together to serve the bigger picture. Understanding the architecture to orchestrate solutions becomes ever more important. Number 4. Emotional intelligence. When collaborating on complex systems, having the emotional intelligence to navigate team dynamics is what really makes a project succeed. Number 5. Continuous learning. And finally, the ability to keep learning and adapting. Stay updated not just on coding skills and tools, but also on design principles and emerging tech trends. Best practices that shape your ecosystem. So as we look ahead to 2026, these are the skills that will help software engineers stand out and stay future-proof.